What's up guys, and welcome back to DBMFX. Today I want to show you how the ATM PIPS machine is working. So today I want to show you, I take a couple live trades this morning and I want to show you how actually I did it and how the system does work. As you can see here, I am actually on the H1 of the GbpUsd. I took this trade here whenever the weird retracement calmed down. I spot out this morning that the price just start from this here. You can see on this candle that the price, it was just shooting up. I was doing a couple pips up there just to see how the position is going, and then I just wait for the right time and I use kind of the candle. Whenever the candle turned red and I see that she was looking to retrace to the price, I just entered the position. It was above the Kijun Sen, but I see my exit indicator that was prepared for the position to come down to the opening price, so that just make me take the position. As you can see, I'm 56 pips up. This is a live trade. Guys, a quick disclaimer: do not trade with funds that you cannot afford to lose. Okay, so this is very important. At the minute, actually, this position it's going against me, but shortly, if this position doesn't hit if this exit indicator doesn't hit the red candle, the red line, I will still keep going on it, even if it's going against me. Actually, I meant to shoot this video a bit earlier, but my mic didn't work properly. Okay, so this is the GbpUsd. Let's have a look how she looks on the 4-hour. So on the 4-hour, you can see that actually we were on a downtrend. Okay, it was kind of coming down, and you can see that we are with the price below the Kijun Sen here, and you see that the LSMA, it is red, so this just pulled my trigger and make me actually take the trade. Okay, and you can see here as well the MMR, it does show like a reversal. Okay, so I'm still waiting to see what's gonna happen. I was taking the trade on the starting point of the US session. Okay, so as soon as the London session just finished, this actually candle was the last one. Okay, so whenever this candle just finished, I see that the price start to retrace. I was going to 1 hour, and then I have a look how that one is going in there, and then from that 1 hour I just go down another bit to 30 minutes, and then I see definitely my LSMA turning red and the position start to form nicely. As you can see, it's 58 pips. Actually, it was 70 pips altogether. Whenever I was actually want to show you, see she went down here, and I'm expecting this one here to go even lower than the opening price. As you can see here, I call this indicator I want to show you. This is the day bar info. This indicator is really good to show you the whenever the price opens. That's for daily bar within the small time frames as well. So whenever the price go up, shows you where it goes, and then if the price retrace, shows you what actually was the starting price. And if this go down, I am expecting this to go down, so actually I'll do another review on this one by the end of the week to see where we were, how we were getting on. I try to stay on the trade as much as possible. I'm very tempted to go out of this just in case if you're gonna retrace back up a bit, and then I'm doing this with live phones. So as you can see, it's 5 cents per position. The account is not big, it's just small account. I'm only doing this for training purposes, but I'm not a financial advisor. You take your own risk on the trades. You manage your own risk. How much you put per position. Do not blow your accounts because of me. I'm not gonna be liable for that. So let's have a look on. Actually, I've done 4 pairs this morning. I've done the GbpUsd. I was on the AUDUSD. So this one as well. She was coming to see this position was quite similar as the GBP. As soon as I see my LSMA turning red, actually was turning yellow, I sent it that if the price start up here, right, the price just, let's put this on here, see if we go to 30 minutes. Actually the price, this is Monday, okay, so you can see here 24, 21 and the 24th. I see that the price actually was going a bit up and down, and then from here start to shut up a bit, and I see my, this it was the, whenever the position start, and then I see that actually she start to retrace, and I believe that this one here will still go below the opening price and will still go to do lower lows on the next couple days. So we're gonna be patient on this one and see how it goes, and then let's have a look how it does look. The so here it is, the 1 hour. I'm expecting the price at least to reach this low, this actually low of the chart, actually to come here to 0.71432. And then as well, let's have a look at the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, she's only just starting to turn red. Actually she was here bearish, and then she just pulled up, and then I caught it up there coming down again. So I'm expecting this. As you can see, the RAX indicator shows you that actually she's coming down again. Okay, it's 25 pips, was a bit more than that, was another 7 pips, so probably was about 30 pips altogether. Let's see the daily. The daily, it's only, you can see the LSMA, she pull up and then now she's coming down, and I'm expecting this to go even lower. Okay, so we done that. Now we're gonna have a look on the Euro USD. The Euro USD was very similar this morning too. I went here on the 30 minutes and I had a look on the price. Opening price was coming, just going up and down, and then after I see that it was shutting a bit up to this level, to this previous kind of consolidation, and then as soon as the price, actually the candle start to retrace, I see my LSMA, which is my trend confirmation indicator, that was coming down. So I just go into it the same like the GbpUsd and the AUDUSD, and I'll show you another thing why actually I did that. Maybe just stay to the end and you'll see it. Guys, if you like this video and you like the way I do the things, please subscribe, and I share what I'm doing myself, guys, just for you just can see it. Subscribe, comment, guys, and let me know what you think. I might be doing some crazy things sometimes, but hey, if you're not risking, you not put your things in place, you're not gonna make it. Don't gamble, but have couple confluences on the chart what gonna make your trades successful. And if you not get one trade, you're gonna get the other. The market is gonna be always rolling up and down all the time, so don't be upset on that. Okay, so that is 36 pips, was a bit more than that, but the price, just because I think the Asian session was joining as well, or I think something like that, the price start to retrace a bit, but no problem, we're gonna be patient and wait. I caught this trade quite high, so we're gonna have a look now how she's gonna go. And then the very last one, let's have a look on the GBPJPY. GBPJPY as well, you can see this one here, I got it as well. I go on the 30 minutes time frame on the very beginning of the day in the morning, Control Y. I had a quick spot to see actually the price was starting just here, okay, and then the price just went up and down, shoot up a bit, and then I see that was coming down, and I see that the GBP was strong in the morning, but then whenever the US session pop up, it's always doing a retracement kind of, and then I see my LSMA indicator that was giving me a green flag to go. So This one here, it's 23 pips for now, but here was 40 pips roughly. You can see. I meant to do the. I want to leave it. I didn't put any take profits, as you can see. There's no take profits on it. Okay, I could have put sell. I should have already take profit. Okay, but I want to let it go because I think she was just coming up, going down past the opening price. She'll go lower, and then after, whenever she's gonna be tomorrow, next tomorrow, we're gonna be doing the lower low. I'm expecting this to probably shut up then, and we're gonna try to buy on the lowest point. Okay, so that is actually my goal. Is I'm trying to riding this thing down, but I'm expecting this actually to go down and pop up again. So we want to buy on the time whenever she's oversold, and we'll see how the ATM pips system is working. Okay guys, if you like this video, again, please subscribe, comment below, and smash the notification bell. And like that, guys, I'll keep you updated. I decide to do some series on every Monday or whenever I have time of couple trades that I take with my PIPS ATM, and see if you're just gonna like it. And guys, these indicators, they are free, just if you know how to use them properly and follow a couple of things. And the very last thing that I meant to show you, and I was I promise you that I'm gonna do it, is 1 second. So I'm gonna do 1 second. Right, so here it is, why I talk the trades in the morning. So as you can see, here it is, this website, it's called Finviz, finviz.com. so you have to go open it, you go to the Forex section, okay, and then on the Forex section you can see this is 1 day relative performance against the USD. Okay, so here it is, a lot of ads and all, but you can register if you want, but I keep it like that. I only just keep an eye on it. Just be careful, okay, that quotes are delayed 15 minutes for the Nasdaq and 20 minutes for the NYSE and the Amex. So just be aware that this is not so accurate to say right now I'm gonna buy AUD against CAD because definitely gonna go up. It has a potential, okay. If it's early in the morning, you can see the percentage that that pair did move during the day, and you can see how the others did go in negative territory. Okay, so the CAD is quite weak today, the JPY as well, the GBP, it's just there. Okay, so my positions, they are GbpUsd, and then I have the EURUSD. That's why my euro, that went up, but then just retrace. So I use these ones. Okay, just be careful. This thing is not, it's only for training. Use a demo account until you understand how and things actually go. Okay, that would be it, guys. We can have a look again how my actually things are going on the GBPJPY. It's already 27 pips up. See, it's coming down again, and I want to definitely wait to see if gonna go on the other side of the opening price. The opening price, it is just here. It's still 10 pips away. I want to see how the Asian session gonna do. Let's have a look on the GbpUsd. See, the GbpUsd, she's coming down again. But guys, I'll do a quick video update on tomorrow, or if no, next tomorrow, to see where we're gonna actually get the buy position for the expansion up. this one it's gonna be very interesting. Okay, so let's see the Euro USD. Like Euro USD, whenever we were talking earlier, she was a bit less, so it's just coming down again. So we're just gonna be patient and wait. You can see the I trust very much the Rex oscillator and the LSMA as well. Just guys, make sure you use exposable income, okay? And then the AUDUSD is coming down as well, so it's not too bad. Couple pips here, that's quite good. Okay guys, please, if you like this video, smash the like button, share it, and subscribe, and please comment. Let's grow this channel properly. And guys, I am open to help you out as much as I can. And if you need any information or anything what it is on this charts, feel free to ask, and I'll do my best to explain to you. Guys, this is for beginners, medium experienced traders, even people with experience. If you're probably gonna need any small tips or other things as different view on how we do the things, I'm open to share this with you for free, guys. No membership, no BS on this thing. Okay, happy trading guys, and see you in the next video. Good luck.